So DNA has those 4 codes. So most computers are zeros and ones, and this one has 4 codes. We'll call them A, G, C, and T. They're purines and pyrimidines, 2 of each, different ones. They're in different formations throughout the DNA. So a strand of DNA, which you have huge amounts of it will have enough information for a process to happen in your body, which maybe, for example, is going to tell part of the body to make the specific protein. And then another strand is going to tell them to make another specific protein. And another strand is going to say we need to make a cell wall, we need to make a new DNA. And all these strands are giving out basically this quantum level genetic code, which you can relate as a computer code to the body to make 10 to the 79th non-covalent processes going on in the body. This DNA is unbelievable quantum computer on a quad level. And we have nothing like it in this world, and DNA is far supreme, which is why you have 10 to the 79th processes going in your body every second of your day. And how does that happen? Quantum computer of DNA is giving out instructions to the body, and it's always right. And if it's not right, another piece of DNA will go in and correct it. So you're always going to stay healthy until your neighbor sprays her lawn with the benzoid weed killer, you eat some bad food with a lot of processing in it, or you just lounge around and watch TV and don't exercise your DNA and body. A lot of different processes will break it down, and eventually that's called old age, and then you die. So our job is to keep ourselves healthy, keep the DNA healthy, and to do it with diet, nutrition, chiropractic care, and just keep the body as healthy as you can. Creates that DNA to do its proper job as a quantum computer. But eventually your joints are going to break down. That's where an original one of those DNA cells called a stem cell will come in and replicate itself and become that new joint or that new part that you need.